Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level? Today we are revealing the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in the USA that can help you build a profitable and scalable business. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, these suppliers have you covered with the fast shipping, high quality products, and excellent customer service. So let's dive in. So subscribe to my channel for more videos. First on our list is Pocket, a popular supplier known for its premium products sourced from the USA and Europe. With this pocket, you get access to fast shipping, high quality items, and a user friendly platform that integrates seamlessly with the Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. Plus, they offer branded invoicing to enhance your store professionalism. So, next we discuss what's the key feature of Spocket. First one is fast shipping within the USA. Second one, premium products and categories. Third one is free and paid plans to suit every budget. So check out the link in the description to explore more about Spocket and start your free trial today. Next up is Printful, a top choice for everyone looking to sell custom products like apparel, accessories, and home decor. Printful handles everything from printing to packaging and shipping, making it ideal for entrepreneurs who want to focus on design and marketing. So, what's the key features of using Printful dropshipping supplier? First one is wide range of customizable products. Second, integration with major e-commerce platforms and no upfront inventory cost. So this is the features of Printful. If you are into print on demand, Printful is the way to go. Coming in at number three is Modelist, perfect for finding trending and unique products to sell. Modelist partners with high quality suppliers in the USA and globally, ensuring faster delivery and satisfied customers. They even offer luxury brands for premium stores. What's the feature of key features of Modelist? First one is diverse product selection, including eco-friendly options. Second one, direct integration with your Shopify and other stores, automated inventory and order management. This is the key features of a modest dropshipping supplier. Ready to discover unique products? Check out Modera's link in description. If you are looking for a one-stop dropshipping solution, Ali Dropship is a game changer. With this platform, you can easily source products, automate order processing, and run your business efficiently. It's particularly popular for those targeting the USA and global markets. So, what's the feature of Ali Dropship? Number one is custom build stores available on Ali Dropship, and second, extensive products catalog from trusted suppliers, and third one is lifetime access with a one-time fee. Okay, Ali Dropship is a perfect for automating your dropshipping journey. Check the description for more details. Last but not least, we have CJ Dropshipping, a reliable platform offering personalized product sourcing, private labeling, and fast USA shipping. They are perfect for scaling your business and maintaining a high profit margins. What's the key features of CJ Dropshipping? First one is dedicated USA warehouses, free product sourcing requests, and custom packaging options are also available. For fast and flexible dropshipping services, give CJ Dropshipping a try. And there you have it, the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in the USA for 2025. Each of these platforms has its unique strengths, so choose the one that aligns best with your business goals. Let us know in the comments which supplier you are excited to try, or if you have any questions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So never miss out on valuable e-commerce tips. See you in the next video. Stay happy, stay blessed.